So we're talking about how do you recover when a customer has a problem. So let's talk about the first step, which is anticipating customer needs. What is it your customers want from your service or your product? Then when something is wrong, we take that knowledge and then we start trying to understand their feelings. So we need to acknowledge their feelings. A friend of mine who's a psychologist talks about empathy over clarification. The last thing we want to do is start jumping in and telling them why what they're feeling is wrong, or why they need to understand how they should have done something different so that we could have given them the product or service that they were looking for. We need to understand where they're coming from and let them know we understand their feelings and that we are putting ourselves in their shoes.